Hello everyone, my name is Nazal Kutsia and with student number is 21589, and here I will review the result of Rising Debate Round. I'll go over the strength and weakness of each team and most importantly reveal the final ranking based on your overall performance. In the third place, we have the closing government. Unfortunately, closing government didn't bring enough new material to the debate. Their argument mostly repeat what had already been said by the opening government without extending the debate is in a meaningful way. In closing half, the closing government roles is to deepen the analysis, introduce more effectively. Closing government had the opportunity to crystallize the role or over psychological or long-term harms, but those opportunities were missed. In the third place is the closing opposition. Closing opposition did respond to argument from the other side, but many of their points lacked depth or clarity. Several statements were too generalized, like assuming all barrack students are the same. There were also moments where their framing felt rushed or unsupported. Compared to the opening opposition, they didn't provide enough new insight or solid weighing, but their attempt to clash and contribute still gave them an edge over closing government. In the second place is opening government. Opening government opened the debate strongly with a clear explanation of why the policy should be regarded. They effectively framed the debate in terms of long-term impact and introduced the idea that not all students should be treated the same way. The moral stage, choosing what is right over what is easy, added strength to their position. What kept them just behind the winning team was the need for deeper engagement with possible alternative and more direct clash with the policy might try to achieve. And the first place is opening opposition. Opening opposition not only clashed directly with opening government, but also presented a strong constructive case. They explained how the program could work with proper regulation and introduced the behavioral context of why some students act out. By offering both refutation and a workable solution, they broke balance and real-world logic to the round. Their clear structure, psychological depth, and practical recommendation made them the most compelling theme in this debate. And now, I give some general feedback for all the teams. The first is, remember that debate is not just about speaking, it's about engaging. Not all teams responded directly to each other argument, work on building interaction and class. And the second is some arguments were repeated too often. Try to explore the motion from new angles and bring fresh perspective, especially in the second half of the debate. The third is use PIs wisely. PIs should be no more than 15 seconds, and they should add value, not just interrupt the speaker or repeat previous point. And the last is always think about the opening or closing government or opposition. Your job is not just about speak, but to contribute strategically to the outcome of the debate. Well done to the all teams with more practice in engagement, structure, and argument development. You're all not the right track to becoming excellent debaters. Thanks for tuning and see you. Bye bye guys.